Every sneeze was a ticket to a new reality, a world where everything seemed familiar yet profoundly wrong. It started innocuously enough, a slightly different haircut, a forgotten friend's name, but soon the differences grew sinister. In one universe, my reflection grinned at me with a malice my own face had never known. In another, my neighbor's cat had eyes like deep, endless voids, watching my every move. The most chilling universe, however, was the one where I stumbled upon my own obituary, dated the very day I arrived. As the sneezes came more frequently, my attempts to control them became frantic, knowing each one could be my last. My final sneeze hurled me into a world shrouded in darkness, where silence screamed louder than any sound. I was alone in a city devoid of life, the only movement being shadows that slithered just out of sight. Desperation clawed at me as I realized there might be no sneezes,